In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Api-Ms-Win-Core-Console-L2-2-0.Dll is missing error, and we'll get it sorted in just 5 minutes. This common issue often arises because a necessary component of the Visual C++ redistributable package is missing or corrupted on your system. Fortunately, solving it is straightforward, so let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to the official Microsoft website. This is where you'll download the essential files needed to resolve this issue. Having quick access to a reliable internet connection will make this process much smoother, so ensure that your internet is stable before proceeding. Once you're on the Microsoft homepage, search for the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, 2021, and 2022. This package includes all the necessary components and libraries needed by numerous programs on your computer. The lack of these can often lead to those pesky DLL errors that we're aiming to fix today. Now, when you're on the download page, it's important to select the correct file that corresponds to your version of Windows. Windows operating systems generally come in two flavors, 64-bit and 32-bit. To ensure a smooth installation and avoid further errors, choose the correct executable for your system. If you're not sure which version you have, don't worry. Simply open your control panel, navigate to System and Security, then to System, and you should find the information you need right there. If you're using a 64-bit version of Windows, download the vc/redist.x64.exe file. For those running a 32-bit version, you'll need to download vc/redist.x64.exe instead. This distinction is crucial, as using the wrong file won't resolve the DLL error and could result in additional complications. After downloading the correct file, locate it in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files, and then run the installer. You'll first see a screen asking you to accept the terms and conditions. Go ahead and read them through, then check the box to accept. Once you've agreed to the terms, hit the Install button to start the installation process. The installation itself should only take a few moments depending on your system's speed. After the installation completes, the final step is to restart your computer. A reboot is necessary to ensure all components are properly loaded and the changes made can take effect. And there you have it. With your computer restarted, the Api-Ms-Win-Core-Console-L2-2-0.Dll is missing error should be resolved, and you can continue using your programs without interruption. If you still experience issues, double-check that you downloaded the correct file for your Windows version. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.